This year's Basic Science Award winner, Dr. Duksung Lei, is looking at a new way to protect against acute GVHD. Dr. Lei, what are intestinal tissue resident macrophages?
Intestinal resident macrophages are known as housekeeper. They are at the front lines of host defense within the gastrointestinal tract. And tissue resident macrophages play a key role in intestinal homeostasis, managing gut inflammation, and promote intestinal damage repair.
And what can they do against GVHD?
To better understand what's going on during the T cell attack in GVHD target tissues, we use transplantation mouse model. In these models, we found that donor T cell infiltration and attacking the intestinal tract co-localized with intestinal tissue resident macrophages of recipients. We found that once we deplete these tissue resident macrophages, acute GVHD immediately spins out of control. Alloreactive T cell gets hyperactivated. More inflammatory cytokines are released. More T cells are recruited. Increase of tissue damage and ends up in a fatal situation within extremely short-term periods. From this, we conclude that the tissue resident macrophages are quite important to control alloreactive T cells and are important to limit acute GVHD.
How were you able to observe this? What methods did you use?
To observe the co-localization of donor T cell and host macrophages, we use different microscopy and imaging techniques to characterize and phenotype and origin of intestinal macrophages. We use single-cell RNA sequencing, multicolor flow cytometry, transgenisamine, photoconversion, and phytomapping techniques. Finally, we also investigated patient sample and could also see a strong correlation between PD-L1 positive intestinal macrophages and reduced acute GVHD.
So what impact did you see and what does this mean for treatment?
Our study highlights that host resident macrophages persist for extended time periods after transplantation, and they have an important protective function against acute GVHD. In our study, it became clear that there is very important cell population and we need now to learn how we can even enhance their function to protect from acute GVHD. Clearly, at more basic research, it needs to better understand what are the triggers that they differentiate into this phenotype and acquire their functions. To tackle these challenges, we continue our close collaboration with our college within our DFG Research Consortium, and of course also with our international collaboration partners.